Several Chinese cities broke new records for high temperatures as scorching heat and contrasting relentless rains wreaked havoc, with local forecasters expecting the weather extremes to linger for days. Red alerts, the highest in a three-tier warning system, were dispersed throughout the country on Tuesday, and cities took measures to protect citizens from the scorching heat, which broke records for the month of July in parts of eastern Jiangsu province and the neighboring city of Shanghai. Temperatures rose as high as 41.3 degrees Celsius on Tuesday, a new historic peak, the China Meteorological Administration said on Wednesday. Experts blame global climate change for the unusual weather. Meanwhile, heavy rain battered parts of many cities. Forecasters expect the intense heat and rain to continue over the next several days.